Welcome Peter and Tina conversation.
Tina, it's amazing to be in Harvard University. The academic pressure is high, but it's worth it.
I agree, Peter. The resources available to us are unparalleled, and we have access to the best professors in the world.
I've been thinking a lot about us lately. I know we're both focused on our studies, but I can't help but wonder where our relationship is going.
I feel the same way, Peter. I really enjoy spending time with you, but I also want to make sure we both have a solid foundation for our future careers.
Absolutely. Speaking of careers, what are your plans after graduation?
I've been considering going to law school, but I haven't made a final decision yet. What about you?
I'm thinking about pursuing a career in finance or possibly going to business school. I know it's a competitive field, but I'm up for the challenge.
That sounds exciting. I'm sure you'll do great. But what about our relationship? Are we on the same page about our future together?
I want to be with you for the long haul, Tina. I can't imagine my future without you in it. But I also want us to focus on our careers and achieve our individual goals before settling down.
I understand what you're saying, Peter. It's important for us to have our own success and independence before we start a family. But I do look forward to the day when we can start a family together.
Me too, Tina. I think we have a bright future ahead of us, both as individuals and as a couple.
I couldn't agree more, Peter. Let's focus on our studies and our careers for now, but always keep in mind the goals we have for our future together.
Definitely. And let's not forget to enjoy our time together as well. I think it's important for us to have fun and create memories along the way.
Absolutely. We should go on more dates and explore the city together. Harvard has so much to offer, and I want to experience it all with you.
I couldn't agree more. And who knows, maybe someday we can come back here with our children and show them where it all started.
That would be amazing, Peter. But let's take things one step at a time. We have a lot of hard work ahead of us, but I know we can do it.
I have faith in us too, Tina. And I know that with you by my side, we can conquer anything that comes our way.
I feel the same way, Peter. You're my best friend and my partner, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
And I'm grateful for you too, Tina. Let's continue to support each other and work towards our goals together.
Sounds like a plan, Peter. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
Me neither, Tina. But whatever happens, I know we'll face it together. And when the time is right, I'll be ready to make you my wife.
I'll be ready too, Peter. But let's focus on our studies and careers for now. We have a lot of hard work ahead of us.
You're right, Tina. We need to stay focused and work hard to achieve our goals. But I'm looking forward to the day when we can finally start our lives together.
Me too, Peter. But for now, let's enjoy the present and take things one step at a time.
I agree. Let's make the most of our time here at Harvard and create memories that we'll cherish for the rest of our lives.
Sounds perfect, Peter. Let's do it.
And who knows, maybe someday we can even work together. I think we could make a great team.
That would be amazing, Peter. But let's focus on our individual careers for now and see where they take us. We can always come back to the idea of working together later on.
I agree, Tina. It's important for us to pursue our own passions and interests, but I just wanted you to know that I believe in us as a team.
I believe in us too, Peter. And I know that whatever we do, we'll be successful as long as we have each other.
That's all that matters, Tina. I'm so grateful to have you in my life, and I can't wait to see where our journey takes us.
Me too, Peter. Let's keep working hard and making the most of every opportunity that comes our way.
Let's do it, Tina. And let's never forget how lucky we are to be here at Harvard, pursuing our dreams and building a future together.
Agreed, Peter. We're both so fortunate to be here, and we shouldn't take that for granted. We need to work hard and make the most of every opportunity we're given.
Absolutely. And we should also take time to appreciate the little things in life, like spending time together and enjoying the beauty of the world around us.
I couldn't agree more, Peter. Life is about more than just achieving our goals and building our careers. It's also about finding joy and happiness in the everyday moments.
That's so true, Tina. And I'm grateful to have you by my side to share those moments with. You bring so much joy and positivity into my life.
And you do the same for me, Peter. We make a great team, and I'm excited to see what we can accomplish together.
Me too, Tina. Let's keep working hard, supporting each other, and enjoying all the little moments that make life so special.
Sounds like a plan, Peter. And as we continue on our journey, let's also start thinking about our future together. What kind of family do we want to have? How many children do we want?
Those are great questions, Tina. And while we don't have all the answers right now, I know that when the time is right, we'll make those decisions together.
That's all I could ask for, Peter. I'm excited to build a future with you, and I know that whatever we do, it will be amazing as long as we have each other.
Absolutely, Tina. And I can't wait to see the amazing things we'll accomplish together, both personally and professionally.
Me too, Peter. Let's keep working hard and pursuing our dreams, and I know that everything will fall into place for us.
I couldn't have said it better myself, Tina. Let's go out there and make the most of our time here at Harvard, and build a bright and beautiful future together.